Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw another Godzilla twist on the Roblox Piggy game. So for this one, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw a Roblox Shin Godzilla Piggy character. And I thought this one would be fun because, you know, the Shin Godzilla, he is kind of like creepy looking, he's a little bit more of like a scarier Godzilla character, so I think he'd be pretty fun to try. So to start off with this, we want to begin with the head. So you want to try your best to make a nice circle. So I'm just going to draw a nice circle shape right here for the head of our Roblox Piggy Shin Godzilla. Now once you've drawn that, inside of here I'm going to make another smaller circle for the nose part. So I'm just going to draw a smaller circle shape right in here for the nose. I'm just going to go around this twice just to make it a little bit darker. Now over here we want to make the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a circle for one eye. And then over here we want to make the next one. So I'll do the same thing over here and I'm going to try my best to keep them about the same size. Then inside of here I'm going to add a circle here and then I'm going to put another circle right over here. And right around here I'm just going to color all of this in on both of the eyes. Now starting right here I'm going to add a little dot here and then a little dot right here for the nose. And then right across here, I'm going to add a curved line. And because, you know, the Shin Godzilla has a lot of like crazy teeth, I'm going to add some kind of sharp teeth in here for kind of like a, you know, a little bit of a scarier look. Now, starting down here, we want to make the body. So starting here, we're going to go with the arms. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go out. And then I want to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to draw a little line that just goes out. Now, Shin Godzilla's arms are not very long, so I'm not going to make these very big. So what I am going to do is I'm going to draw a little line that goes out on each side. And then I want to draw the hands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little line that curves up and down. And I'll do the same thing over here, a little line that goes up and down. Then right here I'm going to make another line that goes up and down. Same thing here, up and down. I'll draw one here, another one over here. And then I'll do that same thing here, and one more right here. Then I'm just going to draw this line in and then up a little bit. And over here we're going to go in and then just up a little bit. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then we'll do the same thing here, little line down. And then I'm just going to curve this in just a little bit on each side. And then I want to make the legs. So to draw the leg, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve in like this. And I'll do the same thing. It just goes out and then curves in. And then I'm going to bring this line just up a little bit on each side. Now right here I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then in. I'm going to go down and in and then down and just over like this. Now same thing over here, I'm just going to go out and then in, out and in, and then down and just over one more time. Then right here, I'm going to curve this line up. And I'm going to curve this line up. Kind of looks like he's walking forward. I made this one a little bit too far down. And I'm going to just draw a little line across. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a line that's just going to go down. It's going to curve around, and it's going to come up to here. Then right here I'm going to make a line that goes up and then down. He's got that like big spike shape on him. Then I'm just going to make some similar shapes that go right down here. And we're going to go all the way to here, and I'll put one more right here at the bottom. And then I'm just going to make a little line that goes right down through all of them. Now, I want to make the tail over here. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come over. And then right here, I'm going to draw another line. It's going to come up. It's going to do the same thing. It's just going to get a little bit smaller as we come here. And right here, we're just going to round it off. Now on here I want to give it kind of like that little face. So I'm going to draw a small circle and another small circle. And I'm just going to color this in. And then right here I'm going to add another little circle with a little zigzag line on it. Now, I want to give him just a few spikes. I'm actually going to leave the top of his head without any spikes because I think it looks a little bit cooler without them. But I'm going to put a few going over here. So when I do this, I'm just going to make these kind of pointy, and then they're going to come back down like this. And I'm just going to do this. I'm going to put about 3 little spikes on each one. And I'll have these going down the tail too. And I'll put one more little one right there. Then right here at the end of the tail, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve up to about here. And I'm going to add just some little curved lines for a little bit of detail on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Shin Godzilla version of a Roblox Piggy character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.